Every man wants healthy skin, but not every lotion gets the job done. Some leave your skin greasy, some wear off after a few hours, and others contain ingredients that can irritate sensitive skin. Dermatologists usually recommend lotions that hydrate deeply, strengthen the skin barrier, and keep skin comfortable all day. Whether your skin feels dry after a shower, rough from shaving, or cracked during winter, the right lotion can make a huge difference. Today, we're counting down the 5 best lotions for men according to dermatologists, starting with number 5 and ending with the best overall pick. I have added all the links to these products in the description below, so you can easily check the prices and reviews. If this video helps you, ensure to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Number 5. Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion. It has stayed popular for years because it simply works. Dermatologists often recommend it for men who want reliable hydration without spending a lot of money. The lightweight formula contains glycerin and vitamin B5, which help pull moisture into the skin while keeping it soft throughout the day. Many men like this lotion because it absorbs quickly. You can apply it before getting dressed without worrying about sticky skin or greasy hands. That also makes it a great option if you work in an office, spend time outdoors, or simply don't like the heavy feeling that some body lotions leave behind. This lotion works well for normal to dry skin. It helps reduce rough patches on the elbows, knees, and hands after regular use. While it doesn't contain strong fragrances, it still leaves your skin feeling fresh and clean. Dermatologists also like that it's gentle enough for daily use. Lisa from California said she bought Lubriderm for her husband after noticing how dry his skin became during the winter. She said that after about 2 weeks, his hands looked smoother, the dry white patches disappeared, and he stopped complaining about itchy skin. She even started using it herself because she liked how soft it made her skin feel. If you want an affordable lotion that delivers consistent hydration every single day, Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion deserves a spot on your shelf. Number 4. Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. When dry skin becomes rough, flaky, and uncomfortable, dermatologists often point people toward Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. This lotion works harder than many regular moisturizers because it combines ceramides with urea. Those ingredients help restore the skin barrier while gently softening rough skin. Men who spend time outside in cold weather or work with their hands often notice that their skin becomes cracked and uncomfortable. This lotion targets those problems without feeling overly thick. It sinks into the skin surprisingly well, considering how rich the formula feels. One thing dermatologists appreciate about this lotion is that it provides long-lasting hydration. Instead of fading after a few hours, it continues helping the skin hold moisture throughout the day. It's also fragrance-free, making it a smart choice for sensitive skin. Jessica from Texas said her husband struggled with extremely dry arms and legs every winter. She bought him Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion after reading dermatologist recommendations online. Within a month, she noticed his skin looked healthier, smoother, and much less irritated. She also said he liked that the lotion didn't leave greasy marks on his clothes. For men dealing with persistent dryness, rough patches, or cracked skin, this lotion offers impressive results without unnecessary ingredients. Number 3. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It continues earning dermatologist recommendations because of its simple but effective formula. The star ingredient is prebiotic oat, which helps calm irritated skin while locking in moisture. That makes it an excellent choice for men with sensitive or easily irritated skin. This lotion spreads smoothly and absorbs quickly, making daily use easy. It helps relieve tightness after showering and keeps skin comfortable for hours. Men who shave regularly also appreciate how soothing it feels after shaving, especially on areas that become dry or irritated. Unlike heavily scented products, Aveeno focuses on skin comfort instead of fragrance. Dermatologists often recommend it because it supports the skin's natural protective barrier without overwhelming sensitive skin. Emily from Florida said her husband always avoided lotion because every product felt sticky. She convinced him to try Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and he quickly changed his mind. She said his skin felt softer after only a few days, and he finally started using lotion every morning because it disappeared into the skin almost immediately. If your skin reacts easily to harsh ingredients, or you simply want dependable daily hydration, Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion remains one of the safest choices available. Number 2. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion has become one of the most recommended lotions by dermatologists across America. Its formula includes 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid, 2 ingredients that help restore the skin barrier while keeping moisture locked inside. Many men don't realize that healthy skin depends on a strong protective barrier. When that barrier becomes damaged, skin loses moisture quickly and starts feeling rough, tight, or itchy. CeraVe helps repair that barrier while providing lightweight hydration that lasts throughout the day. The lotion feels smooth instead of greasy, making it easy to use after showering or before heading to work. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and suitable for sensitive skin, so many men can use it on both the face and body. Sarah from New York said her husband struggled with dry skin for years and constantly switched between different products. After using CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for several weeks, she noticed his skin looked healthier than ever. She said the rough patches around his elbows disappeared, and his skin stayed moisturized from morning until bedtime. For men who want dermatologist-backed ingredients combined with reliable everyday performance, CeraVe stands out as one of the strongest options on the market. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. Taking the top spot is La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. Many dermatologists consider this one of the best overall moisturizers for men because it works exceptionally well for dry, sensitive, and very uncomfortable skin. The formula contains shea butter, niacinamide, and skin-supporting ingredients that help rebuild the skin barrier while providing deep hydration. Even though it feels rich, it absorbs surprisingly well and leaves skin feeling comfortable instead of greasy. Men with extremely dry skin often notice improvement after only a few uses. Regular application helps reduce roughness, tightness, and dryness while keeping skin hydrated for much longer than many standard lotions. It's also fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin and daily use throughout the year. Rachel from California said her husband had struggled with dry skin every winter for years. She bought him La Roche-Posay Lipikar AP+M after seeing several dermatologist recommendations. After 3 weeks, she noticed his skin looked healthier, smoother, and far less irritated. She said he finally found a lotion that kept his skin comfortable all day without needing to reapply it several times. If you're looking for one lotion that delivers outstanding hydration, strengthens the skin barrier, works for sensitive skin, and earns consistent praise from dermatologists, La Roche-Posay Lipikar AP+M Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream deserves the number 1 spot. That's our countdown of the 5 best lotions for men according to dermatologists. No matter your skin type, using a quality lotion every day helps keep your skin healthier, smoother, and more comfortable. If one of these products has worked for you, let everyone know in the comments. And if you're looking for more dermatologist-backed skincare recommendations, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review. If this video helps you, ensure to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel.